Hey Carson, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can start applying right away. That's really going to help you online and to get more organic leads. Nearly 70% of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really critical that your website be optimized so you can capture that traffic. As you know, in Las Vegas, you are in a very competitive area. There are tons of restoration companies. So you not only want to stand out, but you need to be found. So here we are on your website. Your website is secured, so that's really good. You have a cute little logo here. But there's nothing else on your website. So Google has nothing to index. There is nothing to be found online. And so Google does not rank websites based on appearance. They rank website based on content. Content is key, and you need a lot of content. Google likes your homepage to be a summary of each of your major services, but focused around your local keywords. So those are going to be Las Vegas-based keywords, like water damage restoration Las Vegas. And so you're going to have to focus all your content on your services and your local keywords. That's what people are actively searching in Google. They search services more than they're going to ever search for brands. So the service keywords are really critical. You do need to have about 1,500 words or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. If your competitors have a lot more content, you're going to need more than they have. And you're going to need a separate page for every single service that you offer. That way you can capture the keywords for those services and write the content around those so you can be found for each of those services. And then if you're servicing multiple areas, not just in Las Vegas, you want separate service area pages. Any cities that have any cities you service that have keywords for your services really need their own page so that they can be found organically for those services. That's going to be really, really important for you guys. If we look at your top competitor in Las Vegas for water damage, we have ServPro. And yes, ServPro is a franchise, but don't worry, you don't have to compete against the entire franchise. You're only competing against this Las Vegas area company here. And as a franchise and a franchisee, the franchisees are limited on what they're able to do. They're not allowed to modify their content to focus on the relevant keywords. And so they have to do a workaround and work 4 and 5 times harder to rank for keywords that are not on their page. So you are actually at an advantage because you can add all of the content you want on your website, as many pages as you want, and you can really focus hard on those keywords so you can drive that traffic to your website and convert them into customers. So these guys are going to be super easy for you guys to beat, but you do have to have more content and really focus on the keyword strategy. And as you can see, these guys have quite a bit of content. So you'll need more content. You'll need to focus on those local keywords and do some interlinking between your pages like they have here. And then you have to support your website with SEO, because without search engine optimization, you're just not going to be found online. So if we look here, this is Ahrefs. As you can see, you have zeros across the board. Now, I don't know if this is a brand new website that you're in the process of building or what that is, but your rating here is pretty critical. This is Google's trust flow. This tells us how much Google trusts your website. This score is all based on backlinks and referring domains. Now, a referring domain is any website that provides your website with a link from their website to your website. And the backlink is just that physical link coming from this other website. The whole intention here is to drive traffic and help you rank for keywords and convert them into customers. Now, you do need a lot of these, but not all are created equal. You only want authoritative links that are do follows and are high power so that they help you in authority and help you to rank. But Google will only give you credit for one backlink for every referring domain. So it is really, really important to work on your content, keyword, and backlinking strategy. If we look at your competitor, we don't care how their website is ranked because you're not competing against the whole website. You're only competing against this one Las Vegas page, and they have a rating of a 27. Now, a lot of that power is actually coming from the power of their website, but the rest of that is coming from their backlinks and referring domains. So they got 106 backlinks, 31 referring domains. Out of those, only 18 are do follows. So you only have to beat their 18 referring domains in quantity as well as quality. And they have been indexed with 31 keywords because they're working that roundabout way to force the keywords. And because of that, and because they're ranking for those keywords, they are getting 146 people to their website per month. They're still missing out on quite a bit, but they're driving that traffic. They're going to be super easy to beat, but you do have to work on your content and keyword strategy, support it with your backlinks, and make sure that you get more and better quality referring domains than these guys have. And the last part of this is the Google My Business Map section here. You want to be in the top 3 here because 30% of people search in the Google Maps and nowhere else. And so if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all your leads to your competition. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are your citations. And that's the name of your business, your address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you will need a lot more of those than your competition. But when you follow each of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 across Google for all of your services and service areas using those local buyer intent keywords. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful, and I would love to get your feedback on it. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.